Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can stream Code Mobile on TikTok. To do that, first go to your Google and search here TikTok Live Studio. Click on Download Live Studio. Here, click on Free Download for Windows and install TikTok Live Studio on your PC. After installing, open your TikTok Live Studio app and log into your account. I will continue with Google. After logging in, click on this Add Source button and here select this game capture and click on Add. Now you have to select which game you want to stream and then you have to click on Add Source and this will add your game window in your stream. And if you want to stream your game on TikTok mobile app, do the same process in your TikTok mobile app and after that click on Go Live and your stream will start. And this is how you can stream Code Mobile in your TikTok. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in our next video.